Hello everyone, welcome back to another PrizeCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make our parts and objects clickable in Roblox. Here you can see I have a part. Now to make this part clickable, I'm going to go to the part, I'm going to click the plus sign, and I'm going to select Click Detector. So basically this Click Detector is wrapping itself all around this part. Let's play and take a look. When I go to the part, I can click on it on this side, or if I go to any other side of the part, I can click on it on this side, from the top, from the bottom, everywhere, because again the Click Detector is wrapping itself all around the part. And you can tell because my cursor has changed from the pointer to the finger when it hovers over the clickable part. So basically when you click on the part that is clickable, the Click Detector is sending out this MouseClick event, and it is up to you to listen and catch that event when you hear the signal, and you connect to a function and you do what you want to do. Let's take a look at how we can do that. Back inside Studio, I'm going to go to Server Script Service. I'm going to add a script, and what we want to do is we want to listen for the MouseClick event. So first let's declare our part. Our part is in the workspace, right? So let's say local part equals to game dot workspace dot part. Alright, so this is gonna reference to our part here. And now next we're going to declare the click detector. So we're gonna say local click detector equals to, and the click detector is equal to part dot click detector. So it's going to be part dot click detector. To listen for the mouse click event, we're going to come down here and we're going to say click detector dot mouse click colon connect to a function. Let's call our function click. Now let's go and create that function. We're going to say local function click. And inside our function, when the part is clicked, we just want to move our part up by 1 unit. So we're going to say part dot position to get the current position of the part. And we're going to do a plus equals to a vector 3 dot new, and we're going to move it up again by 1 unit, so it's going to be 0, 1, 0. Let's now play and take a look. Click on it and you can see the box is moving up. I can click anywhere, even on this side, even on the top, and the box is moving up. You can also add the click detector to a model. Let's take a look at how we can do that. So let's go to our plugins menu and we're going to build a rig. Let's do an R6 and let's select a mesh rig. You can put it anywhere you like. I'll put it right here. And now I'm going to go to my dummy that I just added. I'm going to click on the plus sign and I'm going to add a click detector. So now the click detector has been added to the dummy. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add a script to this click detector. First, I want to declare my part. My part is the dummy. So let's say local part equals to, and let's see, so the dummy is the script dot parent, right? So dummy, the part equals to script dot parent. From here, the script is dot parent is the click detector dot parent. It's gonna give me the dummy. And next, I want to declare my click detector. So local click detector equals to, and basically it is the part, which is the dummy, dot click detector. Part dot click detector. And now we're going to add the mouse click event. So we're going to say click detector, same as before, dot mouse click colon connect to a function. Our function name again is click. We're going to go up here and declare our function local function click. And this time our function is going to make the dummy say ouch. So we want to add a chat service to this. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to declare local chat service equals to game colon get service, and the service we want to get is the chat service, chat. And now we're going to go in here, we're going to say chat service colon chat. So we're using the chat function of the chat service, and we want to make the dummy say ouch whenever we click on the dummy, right? So the first parameter of the chat service, the first parameter of the chat function is the part. Actually, we want the head of the dummy to say ouch, not the dummy, right? So we want to say part dot head to say ouch, and the message we wanted to say again is ouch. Again, so what happened here is we added the click detector to the dummy. So basically it wraps itself all around the dummy. You can click anywhere on the dummy. It's gonna fire this mouse click event. Once we detect this mouse click event, we're gonna connect to this function. This is our function, and the function is just gonna make the dummy's head say ouch. Let's play and take a look. So we still have this box here, and I can click on it to make the box go up. And over here we have the dummy, and if I click on the dummy says ouch. Everyone, that's how you make your parts and objects clickable in Roblox. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.